Three, two, one. We're live, guys. Hey, how you guys doing today? It's Isaac here, and right now we got a video content um, on the topic of ClickBank. I just wanted to update you guys. So this is the period from April 1st to April 10th. These are my results. So as you know, I promoted three products this month so far, and we're only the 10th, and I've gotten 1,768 hops. That's pretty cool, because if I was to check the total, I'll show you guys the total from January. Let's check the total from January. Okay, so 33,498. Okay, so 33,498 hops from year to date. And we promoted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 products. Okay, so we promoted 14 products in the year so far, and we've gotten 33,498 hops. That's pretty cool. Now, guys, we're going to go into the marketplace and choose a product like what we always do. So after you've logged into your ClickBank back office, you go to affiliate marketplace, and like usual, now we have top offers, new offers, saved offers. We're gonna go to let's go to new offers because we need the 15th product. Okay, so we'll go here and we'll choose a new product. Okay. So we see a few horse racing products. All right. Let's try this one. E-business, e-marketing, video marketing. We'll try this one, okay? It's a one-time offer. It has affiliate tools and it's mobile friendly. Um, it has a gravity score of 0.75, which is pretty low, but it's a new offer that just came out. So we're gonna promote it, see how well it does. So let's go to promote. Let's put in our affiliate. Okay. Create hop link. All right. So we've chosen our 15th product. You guys check out the descriptions if you want to see the traffic source, and also if you want to see what this product looks like. Um, and Don't forget that you guys can promote this product as well. Okay, so the new product that we have for the day is called Side Hustle Video Profits. And it says a proven playbook for earning thousands each month without quitting your 9 to 5. More than ever, people, now more than ever. Okay, so that is the product we're promoting today. The average conversion is 228.34. And so that's it for this video, guys. check out our next video. We'll have a 16th product, and we'll have our fourth or fifth product of the month. Okay, and I'll update you guys again. I'll let you guys know the results that I get. And thank you for coming by this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and hit the bell notification for more videos like this coming into your inbox. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, guys. Take care. All right.